Today we are talking about the future of work and how you can make a difference. When you finish your studies here at Nyenrode, do you think of what your role is going to be?
What I'd like to do is share with you a number of thoughts around how we see at PwC, how we look at the future and how we see the labour market evolve.
I loved the introduction lecture from the PwC. I thought that was really interesting. It kind of brought everyone together and it set the tone.
I love giving the power session on growth hacking to the students today. I really noticed that the students here are super knowledge hungry.
Predominantly what was interesting for me was about growth hacking. That's a new term that I've come across, and I think that is the future of the industry today.
Well, today I had the opportunity to share my experience from the Special Forces from my previous career with the students. Plan very well. You can do it by using 7 steps. In like 1.5 hours we did this together based on a case for KLM.
What we ask our students is to present themselves and to talk about their passion, about their dreams, and to convince other people either to give them a job or to invest in a company.
I learned personal branding the most, is how to brand yourself. The self-identity is the most important and the core of the universe. You have to identify yourself, who you are, what you want, and it's really helpful for my future career planning.